Is it time to buy or sell TQQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore TQQQ in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 25th of April, 2025, and now we aim to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Unlock the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since April 25, 2025, our system has ranked TQQQ as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.28. Let's take a look at the exchange-traded fund's performance during this period. We will continue monitoring this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The exchange-traded fund resides at the upper part of a very wide and declining trend in the short term. This situation often presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $55.15 would initially suggest a slower rate of decline and could be the first indication of a potential trend reversal. Analyzing the current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of negative 46.29% over the upcoming 3 months, with a potential return ranging between negative 70.38% and negative 45%. In a longer-term perspective, our 12-month analysis projects a change of 3.13%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 25.25% and positive 80.56% over the next year. In today's terms, this would suggest a future price range between $40.26 and $97.25. Our latest daily update for TQQQ includes the headline, TQQQ ETF upgraded from sell candidate to buy candidate after Friday trading session. The TQQQ ETF price gained 3.3% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 25th of April, 2025. The price rose from $52.14 to $53.86. This marks the 4th consecutive day of gains. It will be interesting to see if it continues to rise or takes a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the ETF fluctuated 5.03%, with a low of $51.48 and a high of $54.07. Over the past 10 days, the price has increased in 7 of them, and it is up by 16.73% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 4 million shares, with a total of 112 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $6.05 billion. It is worth noting that a decrease in volume alongside higher prices may indicate divergence, serving as an early warning of potential changes in the days ahead. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $93.79, while the lowest price was $35. Currently, the price is 42.57% or $39.93 below the 52-week high and 66.91% or $108.93 below the all-time high reached on January 15, 2018, when it peaked at $162.79. The ProShares Ultra Pro QQQ, commonly known as TQQQ, continues to be a focal point for investors seeking to capitalize on market volatility. Recent reports highlight a surge in TQQQ's performance, with notable support stemming from robust inflows into equity exchange-traded funds, suggesting a potential rebound from previous market corrections. As TQQQ maintains its emphasis on high-performing technology stocks, particularly the Magnificent Seven, including industry giants like Microsoft and Nvidia, long-term investors are finding renewed opportunities amid ongoing advancements in artificial intelligence. Market sentiment is shifting, with many leveraging the current fluctuations to benefit from strategic buy-ins following TQQQ's price adjustments. Moreover, as overall volatility persists after Liberation Day, TQQQ has become an attractive vehicle for those looking to navigate both upward and downward market trends. This adaptability may position TQQQ favorably, not just for short-term trades, but also for capturing long-term growth associated with technological innovation and spending in artificial intelligence. In summary, while TQQQ presents a high-risk investment profile, its alignment with technology sector performance and ongoing market trends could drive significant price movements both in the near term and over the longer horizon. Investors should remain vigilant, as the volatile landscape provides both challenges and opportunities in leveraging this powerful exchange-traded fund. The following signals have been identified for TQQQ. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and so far it has risen 38.46%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, known as MACD. Volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices, creating a divergence between volume and price that may serve as an early warning. The ETF should be monitored closely. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term developments. The TQQQ ETF carries a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a more negative forecast for the ETF. With further gains, the ETF will encounter resistance at the long-term moving average, which is set at $54.8. Conversely, if the ETF declines, it will find some support from the short-term average at $47.35. A breakout above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would add another sell signal, reinforcing the overall sentiment. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 13 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 16 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 45 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 42 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 44 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal 36 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for TQQQ. TQQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $52.61. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund can experience significant fluctuations throughout the day, characterized by high volatility. With a substantial prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, this ETF is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by $2.59 between its high and low, which is an increase of 5.03%. In the past week, the ETF has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 6.91%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for TQQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for TQQQ is at $59.11. If you do not currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a point worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, TQQQ faces its first support level at $52.61. If this support level holds, it could be an opportune entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $52.13, indicating a decline of 3.22%. This exchange-traded fund experiences very high daily fluctuations, which introduces significant risk. A buy signal has been generated from a pivot bottom identified 12 days ago. Is the TQQQ exchange-traded fund a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the ETF being in a declining trend, we believe the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the ETF to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation, from a sell recommendation to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 28th of April, we expect TQQQ to open lower by approximately 72 cents and start trading at $53.14. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With kind regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.